Callum here. We were just launching some rockets, and we just found, and then we crashed our axe and broke into a million pieces. Well, the tube and the cone were fine, but all of that other parts, like
the fins came off.
And
but we can glue them back on, right? It's not. They're just cardboard fins.
And then we flew the Moon Mutt, which we put in the paper, but the parachute still burned. So we just want to show you a little video.
Is the parachute in there now?
Nope.
Nope. Then the nose blew off. Everything came out except the parachute.
Yeah.
Must have been too tight. So now Callum is going to count down.
5. Actually 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Boom! There's all the wadding. Boom.
Oh!
Still
survived. The motor's inside. Woo!
So successful?
Uh-huh.
Want to launch it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
we're going to go launch it again.
Go. Hey, this is our second part again. So I told you the story and all blah, blah, blah. Well, we're going to launch it a second time. If you see, I think we took a video of the first time we drive the Moon Mutt.
The original one, last year.
The last year's one?
Yeah.
So that went into a tree at Fern Hill. It was bad, so I still got it. What? Alright, how about we just go now because I'm getting tired. 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Is it falling?